Hello everyone, welcome back to the class of business ethics and values. So till now we have deeply discussed about values, different classification, its background, its sources, what are the role of values in the business, and how business managers are implementing, what are the value system they are needed in the organization. And so, in this respect, today I'm just going to share you a case study which will we will discuss in the class, and I'm just giving the brief to you all about this case study. So here we go. This case study is a glimpse of Lagan movie, which is a Bollywood super hit movie of 2007. So here we'll understand the values and attitude. Okay, so starting with a brief introduction, our values are principles or beliefs that serve as guidelines to help us make decisions about action, behaviors, and life choice. They reflect what we value and how we feel about the rightness or wrongness of the things. Attitude are how value are manifested in our action and thoughts to others. Attitude are feelings towards certain ideas and dictate how we react in concrete situation. So starting with the story, Bhuvan's value of collectivism was his accepting the challenge. Also Captain Russell, individualism and superiority complex was portrayed when he decided to actually lay down the challenge to Bhuvan. And this was clearly not appreciated by his superiors. The Raja's value of the dharma over karma was expressed when he was asked to consume meat in return of the favor asked. The collectivism of the villagers were expressed when they united to fight against the wrong that was being done towards them. The uncertainty abiding values of the villagers were expressed when they did not want to take up the challenge. Then Deva Singh, so these instrumental value came in the act in his joining the team against his terminal value of fighting against the British. The value of the caste system became evident when Bhuvan's invited Kachra to play, but eventually Bhuvan managed to ignite the collectivism of the villagers. Collectivism was again portrayed when Lakha's individualistic act of betrayal comes become public. Value of winning at the cost of ethical sportsmanship was portrayed by the British player during the game. There are some biographical characters. First point, which the case is highlighting, that is age. The impact of seniority has been seen throughout the film, especially the time when Bhuvan tries to speak in defense of British Raj, but the senior villagers prevent him from doing so. When Bhuvan actually first started to play the game, an incident occurs when the ball moves towards Kauri, and when she tries to give it back to him, she is ordered by her father to tend to household activities. Throughout the film, it is seen that the important positions in the village social architecture like Mukhya, is held by senior persons. It is not as if seniors do not let the juniors to speak out their perspectives and views, but the status of seniors still remains. In fact, has been several occasions throughout the movie when the youth can actually make the senior citizens see reasons, although initially they were less inclined to do so. The age factor has been key in deciding the value of the individuals with respect to their openness. The youth had been actually portrayed to be more up to the challenge and ready for the change, while seniors were not really ready to accept changes in their thought process. Gender has been observed throughout the film that feminism character has been portrayed as those with the feeling, and although the society of the village has been purely partial in terms of holding the key positions like the Mukhya, women has been associated with respectful persona that cares for the rest and saw to it that the family needs were taken care of. They tended to the old, weak and injured and sick people. It was especially illustrated when during game practice session Gauri came with the meals for the players and even forced them to eat. During the practice session, when the player got bruised under the guidance of Hari Kaka, they tended to the players. The behavior of Elizabeth has been a sharp contrast to that of her brother, who was arrogant and unkind to the core and expressed masculinity. Caste. Caste system was prevalent in those days, and that also took a center stage in the later half of the movie when Bhuvans invited Kachra to play at his in his team. Kachra was referred to as being untouched or achut, and the rest of the team initially were very adamant about leaving him out to the team. It took the inspirational character of Bhuvan to actually convince the villagers to move away from the caste bias and play unitedly and portray collectivism. Resh, a scene flash to the inner eyes is when, throughout the movie, the Indian villagers were mistreated by the British Raj as being native and insult were hurled at them at the random, and they were severely penalized even for the small mistakes. The Indian villagers were shown to be beaten up, and Captain Russell went to the extent of saying that natives would for ever live under the soles of the Britishers. This shows that complete disregards of the human being and racist feeling and attitude that took center stage when the plot of the movie unfolded. Even the British loyalists were not free from the insult, and towards the end of the match, it was seen that even the most of the loyal Ram Prasad revolted due to the constant differential behavior that was meted out him as a regular basis on a regular basis. Our values are the principles of the belief that serve as the guidelines to help us make decisions about action, behavior, and life choices. They reflect what we value, how we feel about the rightness or wrongness of the things. So that was the case. Now I just want to give you brief about This case is a particular story of the movie, whereas the main player is Bhuvan, and another hand, Rochelle, Captain Rochelle was there. Basically, Bhuvan works on the collectivism, and Rochelle works on the individualistic approach. He is a very arrogant, and superiority complex is always there in his personality. So there are certain value system which once applies in his life, and these are the, like, he just unfold all those things like A's. He break all those barriers. Those are coming as a A's in the growth of a particular individual gender. He always try to remove that particular problem of the society to being differentiation on the male and female caste. He always being close to each and every person, whether he is from Achut Jati or he is from own caste. So that is very important value system which women's carry out. He never just go for the racism, which another all these points, if I look forward in from the perspective of the Rochelle, the Captain Rochelle is the uh, very much opposite to all these points, and he was just against to Bhuvan, and just do all those things what Bhuvan was not doing. So the whole story tell us about that, how our instrumental and terminal values takes place, especially the study is on the basis of certain value system, so that we can understand it in better term, and uh, we have to also make sure that whatever value system we are adopting, we are applying in our organization, how it is just beneficial for that particular organization. So we'll take up this class, this particular case in the class, and we'll relate how these value system is really important for being a good person, for being a valued and right attitude of the type of the person. And we'll take up all these discussion in the class in detail. Thank you so much. In the meantime, kindly watch the video and just try to understand the story and the case, so that we can discuss in better terms. Thank you so much. Be safe, stay at home. Thank you so